You want to get a good vacuum cleaner at a good price? Let's check out this NT5. All right, good price, better than the expensive ones. All right, hold on. I got rice on the floor. Look at that. I have one that costs 3 times this much. That doesn't pull it up off the ground like that one does. It has a battery light on it. Has 2 speeds. And it's easy to dump. You can disconnect it and use it short or long. It's adjustable. And what my other one doesn't have either, it's got a quick release right here, so that you can take this brush out and clean it. All that for $69 or less. I bought one that starts with an S and ends with an UNC, and it was $300. And the battery lasts 15 minutes, maybe. This one, I did the whole house, and we still had battery left 45 minutes. So the shopping cart down below shows them, and whatever the discount is, sometimes it's more. So see what you can get it for right now on sale.